Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm here with Nick, and he's going to show us the car that he brings today to the Gravity Show. You say you're from Netherlands, and
Yeah.
you came here to England.
Yeah.
How long was the journey?
Complete trip was 15 hours, 3 hours with the car to the boat, 9.5 hours on the boat, and 3-hour drive from there to here.
Oh, that's a long journey. You came
Yeah.
yesterday or from yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday. Yesterday morning we came over here, and we left on Thursday evening, about
Okay.
10.
Okay, that's good. And you were saying that the car is from Germany, is it?
No, it's originally it's from Germany, but it was built for the UK.
Okay.
It was a right-hand drive car, so the steering wheel was on the other side, built so for the UK. It was shipped to there. The guy who bought it doesn't want it anymore.
Okay.
So they shipped it back to Germany, built it again to the European style left-hand drive,
Okay.
shipped on a trailer to the Netherlands, and that's where I bought it.
Okay. So it's going to be like really a few modifications before you
Yeah.
get it, right?
Yeah, we got a new engine in it, a 1.4 liter, just normal,
Okay.
no race car. I built show car, no race. So modification-wise, new headlights, lower it to the ground with air suspension, also custom air suspension.
Okay.
This is one of the lowest MK7s of the Netherlands.
Okay.
Interior-wise, nothing.
Nothing. I saw you have like everything with seats and even the floor.
Yeah,
With
the
the
mats
leather.
on the floor, that's custom built.
Okay.
But the rest, the interior itself, the brown color is original.
Okay.
It's original paint, interior is original. Yeah, that's how it came off the factory floor.
Oh.
And
So basically, it was like custom this build
Yeah.
before it goes to Germany, Netherlands, London.
yeah,
Okay.
it's
So that you didn't do too many modifications in the interior.
no,
and the
not
outside.
really.
Okay.
Because I like the car how it is, how it stands
Yeah.
out. I saw the car and I thought, no, I don't need modification on the outsides. Big modification like that.
Okay. So do you use like daily drive and then for car shows and
Yeah,
that kind of stuff?
for my it's a daily driven car, it stands on the window.
All right.
So it's a daily driven. And yeah, in the weekends, if there's a car show in Belgium or in Germany next door, I've got the time, I will drive over there.
Okay, that's good, man.
The style of this rim, there more of it, but the
Okay.
color-wise, not. It's a one-of-one wheel color.
Okay.
This color, magic brown, came from Aston Martin.
Is it like 17 inch or no?
19.
19.
Inch.
Do you have to modify
No,
anything?
no, it just fits right.
When you made the suspension drop, do you have to modify anything as well or no?
No, just slightly one thing with the chassis. We drill a little piece out for my steering console that it's
Okay.
when it's dropped, steering arm hits the floor. So we cut out a little piece, like two inches about
Okay.
something, and that's it, not more. And that's I made there with the cut out 3 or 4 millimeters. What I got extra to lower it.
So you have here the air compressors,
Yeah.
the tanks.
Yeah, 2 tanks, 2 compressors, completely hard line.
Okay.
So no plastic tubing or something, and it's all the way through from here in the backside to the backs in front and
Okay.
rear.
When you lift it, it's like the same way front and rear, or you can lift front and then rear.
I can do separately if I
Okay.
want to. Each wheel I can do a separately lift,
Okay.
but also the axle.
I like this detail you have here.
Yeah, little touch, huh? I want something different. Most car people got a chain or a key cord or something. And my girlfriend said, I got a handful of those can labs, or do you call it? And okay, let's build something from there.
Yeah, that's good, right? So you were like meeting a lot with your friends and drinking.
Yeah,
How do you find all of them? Like you collected yourself or
no,
you just okay.
just a whole damn lot of beer.
Okay. That's fun, man. That's fun. It's really good. Do you have anything else like special or do you modify afterwards?
Afterwards, not really. I've got all the tail lights and headlights. Obviously, this is a facelift. The rest, nah. Yeah, exhaust. I've got an other exhaust,
Okay.
more sportly sound, but I want to stay original.
Okay, that's
The
good.
look of it. So I can choose for a Mark 7R, so to left, to right, but that's not what the car is.
Yeah.
So I choose them with 2 pipes on the left side. That stands out for me. It's something what I always say. I don't make a car what it isn't.
Oh yeah. Make
I don't
original.
like that.
My
Yeah.
granddad used to say like, keep it original as a stock.
Yeah,
It's
like that.
more value and more
Yeah.
precious. Yeah.
I've got a host what I can connect to my air tanks, so I can pressure the wheels or clean the car from the outside.
So you can use like for different things. Do you have any sound system now? Original as
No,
well?
original sound system. The sound of the original audio is fabulous.
Perfect.
It's perfect. It's a promotion car from VW what they had, and that's why I built it. It came on my path, so yeah, why not?
That's good, man. How long have you been keeping this car?
About 3 years now. With the first half year, I was already busy with building it.
Okay, that's good, man. So you've been doing like 2 years of car show, or you have done it before with another car?
No, I believe 2.5 years of car shows now.
Okay, that's great, man. That's good.
All of Belgium, Germany, Holland, and now first time England.
Okay, that's good, man.
So you say this all is original when you get it?
The leather brown interior is original. The floor mats are not. That's I built it for it.
Okay.
But the rest, the interior is original. Originally brown. Many people don't like it. It's too old. It's not what the youth what they want now. But I like it. I like the classy
really
style.
match with the seat wheels, the doors.
I like the classy style of it, and that suits me so.
It's pretty cool.
Everyone drives with the shoes on and with the slippers or everything on. No,
No?
always drive on my barefoot.
Barefoot.
Yeah,
It's like,
Okay, let me get inside.
go if you want to. Go sit. And this is a daily driven, so you can sit inside.
yeah, let me see.
Yeah.
How comfortable are So do I need to take my shoes off?
No, leave it. It's okay, mate.
Yes, it is, yeah.
I will come over to the other side. Barefoot, always with my shoes. I've got here a little.
Okay. Oh man,
Just taking my shoes on and I slide it underneath the seat.
that's cool, man. So it's your little baby.
This is my little baby, yeah. This left, right, rear. This the left side, right side. And this in between, that's the axle.
Okay.
And this is my, this one, the first one is completely lower.
Lower.
This is setting 1, setting 2. Setting 2 is for my wife.
All right.
So, monster truck height. So they don't bump into a speed bump or something else.
All right. Yeah. So when you set in one,
Yeah,
you're like
that's my driving height. So that's normal. Yeah,
it's low but not that low.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's
because in Holland we got very high speed bumps.
good. Thank you, man.